Nikki Cottom here. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to teach you a really cool hack to get doTERRA lavender for less than $5. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so usually doTERRA's lavender is about $28 retail or $21 wholesale if you have a membership. So for $5, that's really awesome, okay? Now doTERRA does not cut corners with their oils. Their oils are beyond organic quality. They're third-party tested. They'll never have a trace of a pesticide, filler, contaminant. They won't have any adulteration, no synthetic compounds in there, nothing that can cause or trigger side effects that are in most generic brands, okay? That's why we like doTERRA, and we can get it cheap. Let me tell you the awesome hack, okay? All right. So I'm gonna give you a cost breakdown, and I'm gonna teach you how to get doTERRA lavender for less than $5 per bottle. Okay, these fractionated coconut oils, these are carrier oils from doTERRA, and they're really awesome carrier oils. They don't stain. They don't stain clothing, carpet, furniture, bed sheets, any of that stuff. Really awesome, great for massage therapists, all that, great for me because I don't want to get stains in all my clothes. Okay, so I want to tell you about this really quick. Okay, so this costs, fractionated coconut oil costs $12 wholesale at doTERRA or $16 retail. Okay, and why I'm telling you that is it's important to this hack. We're going to use doTERRA essential oil to not compromise the value, but to get 30 bottles of doTERRA essential oil out of one bottle, okay? And it's not gonna compromise the integrity. You're still gonna have the soothing, calming, sleep benefits. You're still going to have the beautiful aroma that helps calm and soothe. doTERRA lavender is amazing at helping with soothing skin irritations, bites, stings, you know, that type of thing. A lot of good first aid stuff. doTERRA lavender also can help support a restful sleep and relaxation and all this stuff. It's just absolutely amazing. Taking a bath in it is incredible, but a lot of people don't feel comfortable just going and buying a generic or a cheap essential oil out there and really getting it on their skin and enjoying it because there's a lot of synthetic materials, probably some pesticides, not a whole lot of value there, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. We don't wanna compromise on quality, so we're going with doTERRA, we're going all in, okay? We're not gonna get anything that's below organic quality. That's our goal, okay? So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to doTERRA.com, the website, not Amazon, not eBay, heaven forbid. They take doTERRA oils, contaminate them or adulterate them or dilute them and sell them back, okay? So we don't wanna go there. We wanna go straight to doTERRA because we don't wanna compromise quality, okay? All right, so we go to doTERRA.com. If you have a membership, you can use your membership. If not, you can go to doTERRA and use one of your friends' affiliate links and go on the website and buy yourself one bottle of doTERRA lavender, okay, and 5 bottles of this doTERRA fractionated coconut oil, okay? And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna run to either buy this anywhere online or go to Whole Foods or Natural Grocers or someplace like that where they have empty amber essential oil vials. And what you're going to want to do is you're gonna open one, and I've already filled this one with fractionated coconut oil. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna fill it up about almost to the neck right there with fractionated coconut oil. Then take the lavender, put 9 drops of doTERRA lavender in here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Oops, I meant to do 9. Okay, do 9. Do 9 drops, okay? Then put the orifice reducers in. Do this 30 times with the 30 different oils. You're gonna go through pretty much all of your fractionated coconut oil and all of your lavender, but you're gonna get 30 bottles of doTERRA lavender, only spending the $28, which is the retail price for lavender, plus the 5 times the $16 fractionated coconut oil. You're going to spend a total of $108, and you're going to get each bottle for, wait for it, you're going to get each bottle for about $3. And let me get this right, I wrote it down. You're going to get it for about $3.06 per bottle. Okay, this is really exciting. I've done the math. All right, you're still going to get the awesome benefits, no contaminants, no adulterations. There will be a filler, but it's a carrier oil, so it's okay, right? All right, so I wanted to talk to you about this, okay? So this is way higher quality than a lot of essential oils you will find at Whole Foods, natural grocers, any of these sites that sell essential oils. Because in order to market this gorgeous essential oil blend of doTERRA lavender and fractionated coconut oil, I can market this bottle as 100% essential oil, 100% pure, because it is. Both of the ingredients are 100% pure. It's organic. It's beyond organic. It's also therapeutic essential oil. Now you might be asking, but it's not 100% essential oil. In order to be marketed as 100% essential oil, all I need to do is put in 3% essential oil in the total solution. And the 3% has to be 100% essential oil. And then I can do it. Okay, so if you're kind of taking a step back, saying, okay, Nikki, you're coming across a little weird. Usually when I do these videos, I speak from my wisdom, my spiritual clarity, my inner voice, my heart. But today, I'm speaking in a different way of thinking, okay? Because most essential oil companies, their quality is not even this good. But their essential oils are $5 to $10, maybe more, for a quality that's not even this good. So when you're like, okay, doTERRA lavender is like $28, I can't spend $28. doTERRA lavender, without any dilution, has 250 to 300 drops in it. That means that you're getting, when you're using 1 or 2 drops at a time, you're getting 100 uses out of it. Okay, 100 uses. They're like pennies per drop. Okay, and you're getting those benefits every time. The quality's always there. Okay, but even if there was this high of quality at a health food store or something, even if there was, this would be marketed at least $10. And let me give you the math breakup. Okay, so because all of this is like organic, 100% essential oil, 100% pure, therapeutic grade, all of those things are true about this. Because of that, if we wanted to resell this, here's what the breakdown would look like. And I did it at wholesale, because if you're going to resell it, you want to buy it wholesale. So resell, so you've got for the 5 bottles of fractionated coconut oil and 1 drop of 1 bottle of lavender, it's cost $81. Okay, that means that you're making if you decide to make it $10, you are making a $7.30 profit on each bottle. That means in this batch of 30 bottles, I am making a $138 profit. Woo! Right? Like, I only spent $81, and I'm making a $138 profit. Okay? All right. So, that being said, as far as are doTERRA essential oils expensive? It's all in how you look at it. This is higher quality than anything you could buy at a Whole Foods store, a health food store, anything like that, a vitamin store. This is cheaper to do it this way, and the quality is highly superior. So if you want to, you can do this for yourself and get each bottle for 307 cents. $3.07, and you have essential oils for that price. Isn't that neat? I wanted to talk about that because some people don't see how buying a $28 lavender or 21 if you have a membership. Really, that quality really does make a difference. This is a higher quality, and it's cheaper to do it this way. You're going to find essential oils all over the map that have pesticides, fillers, contaminants, other adulterations, additive, synthetic compounds, other things that cause side effects in our bodies that are not healthy for us, and they're marketed as therapeutic grade essential oil, 100% pure essential oil, because the 3% in there is essential oil that's 100% pure, right? Purity is such all over the place. Okay, so that's why I want to just talk a little bit about quality. Quality does make a difference when it comes to it, because I could dilute all these and still, let me smell it. I'm still getting that beautiful aromatic experience. And I cannot tell the difference. If I didn't know the difference, it smells a little bit more faint. But last time I went to the health food store and opened up a bottle, it smelled really faint. And compared to doTERRA lavender, every essential oil is going to smell a little bit faint or a little bit weird because they're not this quality. So if price is everything to you, take a look at this. Thanks so much for watching.